It's something our customers take for granted. We work hard for this every day with our hearts and minds. In a similar way to the human brain, the Wattstraße Grid Control Center controls the power supply for the customers of Energie AG. The objective of this interplay of highly complex technology and experienced specialists is that our customers don't even notice the enormous effort that goes on behind the scenes. Wattstraße is the place for controlling and monitoring, as well as for reacting calmly and quickly in an emergency. 6.5 million kilowatt-hours of electricity are distributed annually via the Energie AG grid. To this end, the utmost precision is required, for electricity cannot be stored after production. However, it must be in situ in exactly the right amount when the customer needs it, and it must be delivered to where the customer wishes to have it. Daily, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, year after year. More than 30,000 kilometers of line, amounting to 3/4 of the Earth's entire circumference, are monitored from Wattstraße. Is the voltage constant? Are the transformers overloaded? Is the distribution grid fully ready for operation? The nerve center registers everything and has everything under control. This ensures that nothing goes wrong, if ever something does go wrong. A storm sweeps across the country. In Wattstraße, this is recognized within seconds, and immediate action is taken. Together, the on-site technicians and the control center team ensure that the power flows again as quickly as possible. The brain behind the power supply of Energie AG. In a similar way to the human brain, the Wattstraße Grid Control Center controls the heart, circulation, and nerves, right down to the smallest dendrite, and it knows everything about the condition of the heart, the power plant park of Energie AG. Wattstraße ensures that electricity is delivered from the hydropower plants, from the gas, biomass, and coal-fired power plants, as well as from the reservoir power plants, those clean energy batteries in the mountains. It also ensures that sufficient electricity is delivered, especially at peak consumption periods, when the country awakens, at midday, and at the end of the working day. Some 50 substations, just under 8,500 transformer stations, more than 30,000 kilometers of line, but also the hundreds of thousands of new smart meters. These are what transform the Energie AG grid into the smart grid of the future, aiding customers and bringing them greater comfort. It is also from Wattstraße that power is redirected, without any noticeable disruption, when part of the grid has to undergo maintenance. Here, points at which possible faults may be triggered are already recognized in advance. It is from here that service and repair teams are sent to the right spots. Reliability and security. It is this that we strive for day